Today we're looking at Kenny's Krazy Kone that makes people crazy. We have people ask about this all the time. Let's take a look. Let's open a case. Please subscribe and like our video. Also check out our website www.twinfireworks.com. Thank you. The packing for this is 48:1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our website. Please check out the next video about Collect USA, collectible firecrackers that designed in-house. Thank you.